Hi, this is Mark with Right Line Trading, and I'm here to go over the trading day. It is 4/10, 2015. On gold, uh, we had really no real conservative entry. This was a risky entry. It was a break of the 50. Now, the thing that made it a little bit more conservative was it's breaking with bias and order flow and momentum, and maybe with all of those things, I think that makes it sort of a reasonable trade to take to the upside. Um, I just decided to lay off of it because I like the break and retracement, where it breaks and then it retraces and then continues up. But with this much going for it, this may have been a reasonable trade. Now, these were two overbought trades, but this is our new indicator. It's our consolidation indicator, and it prints intrabar. These are not retrospectively placed channels. And you can see how great when the channel indicator, it channels into the modified 15, how it takes another leg up. Now the MA diff here, or the difference between the 15 and the 50, was 24. But starting on Monday, I'm going to give these trades that channel like this or consolidate with bias, order flow, and momentum here. See the candles outlined in blue. A little more leeway than 18 ticks. And then it actually did it again. It went into another channel right off the 15 and went up for 11. So now this is a very overbought market. But MA diff here is 31. But it's a very, very powerful signal, and we're going to exploit that a little bit more than we did this week. This is a brand new indicator. We're just starting to see how powerful a signal that it generates. So we really didn't have any ultra-conservative trades. Next week, we will be taking those channeling signals right into the modified 15. Then we have the Russell. This was a little bit of an aggressive trade without bias. There were multiple areas here. Movement down, retracement, and it gave us 9 ticks of heat. That's a lot of heat for a trade. 10 ticks would have stopped us out. Then eventually it pushed down 6 through our first target of 5. Now you're in this same situation here as you were here, except here you have a green 50 and a green 15. Here you have a falling 50 and a yellow 15. So you can't take that trade to the upside. And you're not going to take this move to the upside because really without bias, you're really looking for the Russell to roll over. And it really never did. It just kept pushing up. Now, this is a trade that I wanted to call right back here for the move up. Would have gone up 9. But I didn't because I was too late to get to the button. And so I missed. This was a very, very conservative trade. 15 crosses the 50. You have order flow and momentum. And you're up. And now here we have the market closed. I'm sorry, our room is closed. But this is a nice trade right here. The move up, the retracement. And you're not going to get, it's not a big move, but you're going to get yourself a first target and a win for 6. And obviously if you took this move up and retracement, you get yourself an even nicer win. Oops. $11. So these were opportunities afterwards, but you can see how well, we fought off a lot of chop. I didn't go through a lot of the um, signals that we avoided, but if you trade with bias, you're careful about multi-time frame analysis, which you really need in order to trade these markets. You're going to do really, really well. And here was our first trade. This is another trade I called late. And I didn't book it. This was just a gorgeous trade for 16. We have really nice opportunities here. And this is really just move up, retracement right back to the 50. A retest to the 50 in essence, and then a move up right off of the 15 and the 50. And that was really a shame. Couldn't call this because the 15 was yellow. But then we got this move up, retracement, and up for 18. This is another example of a channeling trade in a slightly overbought market. MA diff was 23. We're going to give it that amount next time, and we're going to take these trades. And then we got our third winner right here, right, move up, the retracement right off the 50, 15's crossing right underneath, and this one actually went 23 ticks. And actually, it really didn't go 23 ticks, to be perfectly honest with you. I just noticed it, and I kind of scaled it wrong in the room. It went, because we take these out on the reversal candle, it actually went 10. But I took it out at 9. So the 23 is wrong. And it doesn't matter because I have to cut 14 ticks off of that. And that's how far it went. But we made nice money off of that. And those were our 3 winners. Since we've closed the room, it's really been nothing. So here's how we did for the day. I'll show you the ES. Well, let me show you the ES first. Now, the ES was really an interesting market. Very flat. And take a look. We get a great signal here right into the pivot. I didn't take it because of the pivot. It would have been a stop out. Then we get another signal, and this one broke. And this one would have been a very, very big move up. But you just can't predict when the market is when the pivot's going to hold and when the pivot's going to break. This was no reversal candle. This would have been 15 tick move, 3 3/4 points on the ES. But it would have come at the cost of this loss. So the ES was very narrow range until there, and it was the pivot that held us up. We wound up having a stellar day. And I have a feeling we're going to have a great week next week because we're really going to exploit that areas of consolidation that our indicator points out a little bit better. I can find out exactly where I put our trades. It's nice that I can't find them anymore. It's crazy. Hold on one sec here. I'm going to put them on another market. 99% sure I put them on crude oil. I don't see them there. Now we made $600. We had 3 trades and 3 winners. And I can't for the life of me see where I put R. I'm going to have to squash this down here because it's frustrating. Here it is. I mean, why the heck it's all the way over there? I have absolutely no idea. Oh, that's yesterday's. That's why it's all the way over there. Well, I'll have to retype it because well, we had 1 trade for 6 ticks where we had 1 contract off at 5 and 2 off at 0. We had 1 trade for 10 ticks, which we took out at 9. 1 contract off at 5 and 2 off at 9. And then we had 1 trade for 23. We took 1 contract off at 5, 1 contract off at 10, and we had 1 contract off at 18. So we made really. I'm sorry. Let me just open this up again. Here we had 18 ticks. We had 1 contract off at 5, 1 contract off at 10, and 1 contract off at 15. So that all added up equals exactly $600. So we made $600 today on 3 trades. We had a wonderful week. I don't have all the figures, but we made close to $1,500, and that's before commissions. So we really had a really excellent week, and I think we're going to have a better week now that we've better defined the power of our consolidation indicator, and that when you take trades like this right off of the modified 15 with order flow and momentum and bias, these trades are going to fly. So I hope everybody has a great weekend. We had a terrific day, and we're going to I'm going to type it on. I just don't want to waste your time on the video while you sit here and watch me type it. And I look forward to seeing everyone in the training room. Now we are at www.rightlinetrading.com. There you can find the link to our daily net equity in the trading room, our daily net equity for our ES Auto Trader, daily net equity for our crude, gold, and Russell Auto Trader, the link to sign up for a free trial, and also a link to for a contact us page. You can email us at info@rightlinetrading.com. or call us at 1-855-765-6681. We're always around. We sort of live here, and we'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you have. So we really had an absolutely fabulous week. We're going to update our net equity auto trader page and also the page in our for our live trading room, and you can take a look yourself and see how well we did. So listen, everyone, have a wonderful weekend. I hope to see everyone in the trading room. And again, have a safe, healthy, happy weekend. Take care.